Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Celtic Sea Salt, fine ground resealable bag, an exceptional choice that many are calling the best ground sea salt available. With its unique flavor and health benefits, this product stands out in a crowded market of salt options. Let's start with what makes Celtic sea salt so special. Harvested from the pristine waters of the Celtic Sea, this salt is known for its natural mineral content. The fine grinding process ensures that it dissolves easily, making it perfect for seasoning all kinds of dishes, from savory meats to delicate vegetables. The texture allows for seamless incorporation into your cooking, enhancing flavors without overpowering the dish. What's more, Celtic sea salt is unrefined and free from additives. This means that you get pure, natural salt that retains the essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These minerals are not only beneficial for health but also contribute to the unique taste that sets this salt apart. By choosing Celtic sea salt, you're not just seasoning your food, you're enriching it. Whether you're grilling up a steak, baking a loaf of bread, or simply seasoning a salad, Celtic sea salt can elevate your culinary creations. Its versatility is a significant plus, allowing it to be used in various cooking techniques, enhancing flavors without the need for artificial seasonings. And because it comes in a resealable bag, you can keep it fresh and easily accessible in your kitchen. But it's not just about taste. Using high-quality salt like this can also promote better health. Many health-conscious consumers are turning away from regular table salt, which often contains additives. Instead, they're opting for natural salts that provide a wealth of nutrients. Celtic sea salt is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their cooking while also considering their health. The Celtic sea salt comes in an 8-ounce resealable bag, making it a convenient option for both everyday use and special occasions. Its design ensures that it stays fresh and retains its flavor for a long time. Plus, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from thousands of satisfied customers, it's clear that this product has made a significant impact in the kitchen. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality, flavorful salt that can enhance your cooking, Celtic sea salt, fine ground resealable bag is the way to go. It's not just salt, it's a versatile seasoning that adds depth and character to your meals. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of the best products out there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!